Alright, we got a quick Excel tip for slicers, aka filters. Alright, so we got a data table here with date, amount, and state. We're going to insert a pivot table here. So insert tab, pivot tables. Alright, so we'll click on the amount, bring the amount down, we'll bring the state down. With this, obviously you can filter using this drop down arrow. Another nice feature you can do is if you click somewhere in the pivot table, go to your pivot table analyze tab, and once you're here you'll go to your filter, insert slicer. So slicer is good for, it's essentially a filter. So if you don't want to hit the drop down menu, you can check off this box here and it will create this nice little filter mechanism for you. So from here you can clean this up a little bit. You can go up to your sizing, insert maybe a couple columns, make that a little smaller. Alright, so that's good. So as you can see now, you can filter your data. If you want to clear the filters, you can select this X up here. If you want to select a couple of them or unselect, you can just work with this button here. So another thing we can do is we can insert a timeline. So that's essentially a filter for a date field. Timelines are only going to be available if you have a date field in your data table. So going back to the pivot table analyze tab, we'll go back to filter and insert timeline. As you can see, it only populates the date fields within your table. So now as you can see, we have this date filter. So this works the same. You can just select your time period here and it will filter the data down for you. So hopefully that helps. Like and subscribe.